Welcome to our presentation on computer networks. In this session, we will explore the basics of computer networks, different types of networks, key network protocols, various network topologies, essential network devices, and important security measures. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for anyone looking to work in IT or related fields. A computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that communicate with each other. These devices can include computers, servers, smartphones, smart TVs, and various IoT devices like smart thermostats and security cameras. Networks allow these devices to share resources and information efficiently, enabling functions such as file sharing, internet access, and communication between devices. There are several types of computer networks, each serving different purposes. First, we have local area networks, or LANs, which connect devices within a limited area such as a home, school, or office building. LANs are typically fast and secure, making them ideal for small geographic areas. Then, there are wide area networks, or WANs, which span large geographic areas, often connecting multiple LANs across cities, countries, or even continents. WANs use technologies like leased lines, satellite links, and the internet to connect different locations. Wireless networks use wireless data connections to link devices, providing mobility and convenience. Common wireless technologies include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular networks. Additionally, we have the concepts of internets, intranets, and extranets. The internet is a global network connecting millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks. An intranet is a private network accessible only to an organization's staff, offering tools like internal websites and collaboration platforms. An extranet provides controlled access to partners, vendors, and suppliers, facilitating business-to-business communications and transactions. Network protocols are essential for ensuring that devices within a network can communicate effectively. They are a set of rules governing the exchange of data. Examples of common network protocols include Ethernet, used for LANs. It defines wiring and signaling for the physical layer of the network. TCP/IP, the foundational protocol suite for the Internet, responsible for data transmission across interconnected networks. HTTP/HTTPS, protocols for web communication, enabling the transfer of web pages and secure transactions. FTP, protocol for file transfers, allowing files to be uploaded and downloaded between computers. Wi-Fi, 802.11, a wireless networking standard used for local area networking of devices. Network topology refers to the arrangement of different elements in a computer network. There are several types of network topologies. Bus topology, all devices share a single communication line or cable. It's simple and inexpensive but can be slow and prone to collisions. Star topology, all devices connect to a central hub, which is easy to manage and scalable but reliant on the hub. Ring topology, each device is connected to two other devices, forming a circular data path. It offers equal data distribution but can be disrupted by a single point of failure. Mesh topology, devices are interconnected, allowing data to be distributed along multiple paths. It's highly reliable but complex and expensive to implement. Each topology has its own advantages and disadvantages, making them suitable for different scenarios. Various network devices are used to build and manage networks, each serving a specific function. Router, routes data between different networks, directing traffic efficiently. Switch, connects devices within a single network, filtering and forwarding data to the correct destination. Hub, connects multiple Ethernet devices, making them act as a single network segment. It's less efficient than a switch as it broadcasts data to all connected devices. Modem, modulates and demodulates signals for data transmission over phone lines or cable systems, enabling internet access. Other important devices include access points for wireless connectivity, firewalls for security, and network interface cards, NICs, for connecting devices to the network. Network security is vital to protect data and resources from unauthorized access and threats. Key components of network security include firewalls. filter incoming and outgoing traffic based on an organization's security policies, blocking potentially harmful data. They can be hardware or software based. VPNs, virtual private networks, provide secure network connections over public networks, ensuring data privacy and anonymity. VPNs are commonly used for secure remote access. DMZ, Demilitarized Zone, adds an extra layer of security to an organization's local area network by exposing external-facing services like web servers while keeping internal networks secure. Implementing these security measures helps prevent data breaches, cyber attacks, and unauthorized access, ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of network communications. This concludes our presentation on computer networks. The information presented here is drawn from several valuable resources. Books: Gordon Davis, Networking Fundamentals, develop the networking skills required to pass the Microsoft MTA Networking Fundamentals Exam 98-366, PAC Publishing, 2019.